Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So, I was going to do a makeup video, but it's too hot. I just cannot see myself doing makeup today. It's even still humid in the house, and I apologize for the air conditioner sounds, but it's like 100 degrees, and the humidity is at 100%, so needless to say, our air conditioners are shipping about, we have buckets to catch it, and they're 3-gallon buckets, and we're averaging to empty out the 3-gallon buckets 3 to 4 times a day. So yeah, so that's our window shakers are really, doing their job, but it's still a little bit humid in the house, and I just feel like I'd be like, look how frizzy my hair is from the humidity. I just feel like I'd just be fighting a losing battle, and I'm already sweating just sitting here because of the lights. So we're going to do a small Amazon haul and a Crystal Council box. So I'm going to start with rice toner, and let me get my glasses on. I just bought this. It's hard to read. Anyway, it's this rice toner. If I can get the package open, I'll just show it to you. Okay, let's not focus or anything. There we go. Why is that doing that? I had it, and then there. Rice toner. Anyway, I got this to try with that Medicube. By the way, the Medicube, with the little boba balls in it, I call it, I love it. I love it a lot. So this is rice toner. It is white, and it does not have who it is. You use it just like any other toner before your skincare. Apply it on a clean face. We're going to be adding that into the Medicube. So far, so good. I've been using that Medicube for, I think I'm on day 7. I do feel a difference. I do kind of see a difference. Alright. Something else I got is, I'm going to try to link these all down below. Please don't crucify me if I don't remember. Anyway, this is a bag of hair, like bandanas, hair bandanas, headbands, if you will. So I'll take one out to show you. I got them because I think they're pretty. They're like lacy. This is gray. They weren't very expensive. Maybe, I can't remember off the top of my head. Okay, I got a red one, black, white, brown, pink, hot pink, kind of like a seafoam green or turquoisey, and a light pink. I need to adjust this light. It's ridiculous. Let me bring that down a little bit. Does that look better? Can you see it better? Yes. Okay, so there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them in here, and I will list the prices and the links down below after I get done throwing them all over the floor. So let's put them in here. If you hear my cat meowing, it's because she loves the little plastics that come off. She likes flipping them all around the house. Alright, so Also got Amiki hair clips. And I'll show you why. They look like that. And they're big hair clips. You know, like, boom. So when you're applying makeup, so I'm going to keep these right at my desk here. They weren't very expensive, maybe $5. I can't remember off the top of my head. I will link it down below. That's what they're looking like. Alright. And one more. Well, two more things. Alright, I can't get that open without a scissor, which I don't have right here, do I? I do. Alright, because we all know I'm a Halloween girl through and through. So I seen these were on sale. I don't know if they'll still be on sale. They're little Halloween headbands. We got spiders and pumpkins and bats. Pumpkins. Bats. And more pumpkins and bats. So I thought they were cute. I love the black and white. I'm really digging that. Alright, so let's get to Crystal Council. Oh, I did get a book. You're going to get a real sneak peek for September's book. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, that's what I got for my Amazon haul. So, this is July's Crystal Council. It says, Dear subscriber, July is an invitation to reconnect with what makes you feel most alive. Spend time doing things that fill your heart, spark your creativity, and bring you genuine happiness. This month encourages you to release the unnecessary stress and make space for more laughter, inspiration, and meaningful experiences. When you choose joy with intention, you naturally create more balance and positive energy in every area of your life. Trust yourself to follow what feels meaningful, and don't be afraid to make time for the moments that truly refresh your spirit. So the lunar events is July 29th is the full moon, and the zodiac transition is on July 23rd. We transition into Leo from Cancer. All right. So the first thing I see on the top is this pouch, and it says subscriber exclusive silk crystal pouch. It's very soft. A special place for stones that mean the most to you. Whether you keep favorite crystal close throughout the day or simply want a beautiful way to store your collection, this soft silk brocade pouch offers both protection and style, perfect for carrying a few favorite crystals wherever life takes you. Beautiful. Look at that. All right, nice. All right, so each box comes with a scroll. I'm not going to read you the full scroll because you take a quiz at the beginning of each month, and each stone is suited to the answers that you gave. All right, so the first stone, it's not that one. All right, we're just going to go with this little pouch here, and we're going to make our best guess. Alright, so we got two stones. Alright. I'm just reading real quick to see which one is which. Alright, so this is Luxolianite. It's very pretty. Distinctive granite composed of quartz, feldspar, and tourmaline from the UK. Best known for its deep connection to grounding and mental clarity, this stone supports structure and stability, helping you to organize thoughts and remain steady during periods of pressure or long-term effort. So there's more, but I'm trying to keep it short. This stone is garnet and wollastonite. That's unique, isn't it? Garnet and wollastonite is a grounding stone of passionate energies. This is a rare find that you don't normally come across. This stone helps unlock your lower tiered chakras to open yourself up to earthly vibrations filled with strength, clarity, and abundance. The wollastonite acts as an enhancer to garnet's already powerful energies and can help one in channeling their true inner potential. Whoops, I'm sorry. We are going to be talking about chakras next Wednesday, by the way. Anyway, alright, so we have this. I'm sorry the video's long. Gotta cut the tape. This came wrapped in bubble wrap. This is eucalyptus. Oh. Okay, this is really pretty. Wow. Okay, eucalyptus. Special connection with one's heart and aids in the deeper understanding of their emotional body. Simply meditating with this stone will help push out those dead weight feelings we continue to carry with us. These emotions serve no positive purpose and are taking up your heart, occupying space. Eucalyptus helps one push through these hardships no matter the emotional pain and allows one to truly find inner peace. This is very nice and very much needed at this time with stuff going on. Alright, here's the last one. Now this is a subscription box. They take the money out, I think around between the 12th and the 20th, the month prior, and then you get your box. I got this one 2 days ago. So it was here by the 14th. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Look, they even put the little stuff on there so the point don't get broken. That is, oh my God. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Isn't our earth just amazing to make such pretties? Alright, this is blue onyx. So, if you know from before, onyx is usually black. So, blue onyx is the stone of the throat chakra that opens your communication skills not only to yourself but to the world around you. It's much easier for you to talk about your heartfelt emotions when you are at peace with yourself. And working with blue onyx will help you achieve that. This mineral is a member of the quartz family, and its energies are naturally enhanced and can often be felt to the touch. Try placing a piece directly over your throat chakra during or after your meditation, or even carrying a piece with you throughout your day. So, there's that. There's more to the scroll, but it's kind of personal, so I'm not going to read the rest. Wow, look at that. So, we got the blue onyx, the eucalyptus, what's it called again? Luxolianite was this one. And then the garnet in wollastonite. I'm probably butchering that. That's really pretty. Anywho, that was my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful weekend. It is Friday. Well, not for me today, but Friday for you. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Sit down and meditate. Do a nice face mask. Throw some rice toner on. And enjoy your weekend. Until next time. Bye.